All right. Welcome back to Eyes Open Media. Prophet John here. Okay, so hey man, a lot of faiths are being tested today. I told you today was going to be a crucial, pivotal day, and so I know Prophet Christian Pierre is probably watching the markets closely here to see what happens at the close, because the close is going to be very important for the Dow. But before that, we talked about Zion and Gas yesterday, and bang, there it goes. Bull breaker out there, nice opening, nice little gap there on the opening there. Absolutely went crazy here, up to about 33 cents there. Okay, so Dino and Gas making my account look good. Okay, one of the reasons why I still haven't sold the four stocks yet, because Zion, I'm doing well in cryptos. I made money in cryptos, and I'm setting up position in T Fuel. I know crypto markets will probably come down later today, into this weekend. Could be a bad weekend for cryptos, or maybe next week is going to be a bad week. I don't know, but but at some point the cryptos are going to give back, and but we've made money on cryptos. I'm staking, I'm making money every day on these things. The faucets are making money. So Zion and Gas, keeping my market, keeping my account good. I had another play I did, and that made me some quick money as well. So I'm able to make some quick money here. So I haven't sold the four stocks yet, because the four, I mean, right now it looks like money is actually coming into the four stocks right now, because the markets are up really high, and this could be the climax of wave two. We don't know. Okay, all depends on how we close today. It's going to be very interesting, and then the news that happens over the weekend. Okay, so Zinal and Gas breaking out there, keeping my account in good standings. I would love to see this thing just shoot up to $1. Where is the news? We're waiting on news on Zinal and Gas of them drilling, and in Israel. Just make something, say we have started drilling in Israel, and we're going to dollar 50 on this one. So it's gonna wipe out all of the losses in the four stocks that I'm currently in, and some of them right now. All the I think two of them are still good. I'm still up like 100% or even 300% on two of them, and then the other two are actually in the negative. So, but this right here, I moved to dollar 50, wipes that all out, and I'm in the money, right? So let's see here. Let's go to Tather. And Tather, what a big move on Tather happened here. Made me some money here. I didn't get as much Tather as I wanted to. I should have loaded the crap out of it when I was calling it at 5 cents. This is an epic move. This is going to be an epic call by me. But it wasn't just me. It was Jason 4 and others, right? So it's a team effort here for Tather, Big Square, Jason 4, myself, and some other people that were in Tather that I don't really follow that much, but I know that they were out there talking about Tater at 5 cents and what a move it made, making us some money. So, and now it looks like it's trying to go again, maybe a lower high, lower high, higher low, higher high patterns coming in there, most likely there. T Fuel hanging in there. Okay, I loaded up some more T Fuel yesterday. It could drop here. If the markets go bearish, it could drop a little bit, and I would grab some more there. But what I would love to see happen here is I would love to see, and you can see Tesla's starting to drop here. I would love to see KYBER network just absolutely explode here. I mean, it broke out of this triangle here, and it exploded through on this candle. So that's almost the same candle, right? So let's see what happens here. I want to see this thing explode to $1, stop there, right? Because that's resistance, and then pull back a little bit, and then break $1 and head towards its all-time high of $6 this weekend. I would love to see KYBER network do that. And then we can take some profits. I would be taking a big profit off of that. That would also negate the loss in the four stocks as well. So KYBER network moved to $6 here would negate all the losses in the four stocks like that. So let's see what happens. I'm hoping for a big weekend here on KYBER Network. We want to let this thing go, and let's see if we can break $1, and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't stagger here and just sits around. It's all signals are all go here for another parabolic move. Now, if we do go a parabolic, it needs to be double this move. Okay, so this was the first move here, and it needs to be double this move. So the next time you run parabolic, it's usually double this move. So this move was 45 cents to 77. So let's just say 30 something cents there, 32 cents move. So we need to at least see a double 60-cent move or a triple. Okay. So, or maybe even more. Okay, so if I'm talking about going back to all-time highs, which is $6. So we'll see, but at least give us $3. At least give us $3, man. You know what I mean? Um, $3 going. I'll be all cash on this after that. Let's see if we can get the $3 to $6 range. I'll be all cash watching T Fuel to see if the markets actually dump over the weekend. You know what I mean? And let's see what happens. But I hope the markets don't dump tonight. I know people are saying that the markets could be dumping tonight. Bitcoin's already down, so I'm not sure how much lower it's going to go. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But KYBER Network looking good. Money can move in here because it has a breakout. So let's see what happens. Hopefully, everything doesn't just dump and then this thing comes right back down. We should take advantage of a breakout. We have a breakout here. We should take advantage of it. But we'll see what the markets do. And then the Dow absolutely roaring. I told you guys yesterday. I thought the Dow was going to come out firing strong this in the morning and just absolutely soar. And then the thing about it is that I thought we are gonna hear some bad news by before close. And bad news before some type of bad news before close, and a wick all the way like down here, back underneath the line. If we saw something like that, then this would be the top of the shoulder, right? So Christian Pierre, I know he's like, whoa, he's probably praying right now because the Lord told him that the top would be right in here, right? Of the shoulder. The shoulder's coming in and the top will be right here. So that means we need to see a massive sell-off here, because if we don't see a sell-off here, folks, I mean, we're going to 30,000, right? We're going back to 30,000, and we're going to negate this head and shoulder pattern, which already has two confirmations in it, but for some reason we didn't get the third confirmation. Okay, so we're going to need to see some bad news, because I think that's the only thing that's going to be able to trigger this. Some type of bad news needs to come out, or something needs to come out that people start selling, and we close underneath that 200 moving day average, and we call it a shooting star, right? So we're gonna need to see. If we don't see that, then Monday could be another epic big day, as we're in extreme overbought territory on the Dow, but no one cares. All right. So it's going to be like Bitcoin, where it just stays overbought for maybe another week or two, and then all of a sudden it just gives out, and then a complete crash happens again, right? Because we're not going to be able to sustain this, right? But we're going parabolic. So when you go parabolic, you're not going to be able to sustain it, and it usually crashes. And when it crashes, it usually goes lower than where it started. So that's why we're probably going to go back all the way down here. At some point, it could be 30,000, could be 35,000, doesn't matter. Once it stops, it's going to literally free fall. Okay, so we saw it with Bitcoin. And we saw it here at 29,000, even though it wasn't really a parabolic move. It was just continuing to go higher because of printing and printing and printing. It tried to stop it there. More printing came in there, and we finally gave out. So, and then when we gave out, it just free fall, because then the virus helped as well. But this one right here, we're just going parabolic here. So at some point, it's going to end. Something is going to kill the giant of debt. It could be the Iraqi dinar this weekend. It could be something else. I don't know what it's going to be. But something has to kill the giant of debt, or the market's just going to go to 40,000, right? So I guess we'll see what happens. Peace out, God bless, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. And I haven't seen Kevin in the Telegram group, but he should be excited right now. He should be happy. He should be celebrating. This is awesome times for the people that are in the bull positions, and we'll just wait and see how we closed. And the close is going to be important here. If we close bullish, then we know then it is what it is, right? Prepare yourself for 30,000 down. Okay, if we close bearish here, and that means we need to come all the way back and close underneath this line. So that's going to be a big fall there. It's got to be some type of news that triggers a sell-off at the end. But I don't know if we're going to see that or not. We don't know. We still got a lot of time left in the day to create that. Liberals own the media. I mean, Donald Trump is having a great day right now on Twitter. He's absolutely ecstatic and excited about the markets and all the printing that is going on in the markets. He's ecstatic. All his people are making tons and tons of money because the feds are just printing and printing and printing and printing and printing, and they don't care. Okay, so but the liberals own the media, so the liberals could easily come out and say a new virus in China has started and now China's under lockdown. Like, they could easily say that, within the next hour or two and just stop the run, right? But they're not doing that. So at least right now they have it. Donald Trump is having fun on Twitter, and it's fun. It's fun to see Donald Trump having a good time on Twitter there. And it's good to see the Bulls having a good time as well. And Zynon and Gas, boom, and then I had another stock that did well as well, and I've been making money on the cryptos to help me out, and it's been an awesome week. Even though the 4 stocks are down for me, 2 of them are still in the green, 2 of them are not, but the crypto market has been so bullish for me. Tether Fuel, KYBER Network, and all the other coins. Ethereum went back up. I still hold Ethereum in my private keys. Litecoin went up as well. So I've been making money on cryptos, and I'm staking Cosmos. What about Cosmos? I mean, what a run on Cosmos. I put in a lot of money on Cosmos at 250, and this thing has absolutely done its thing. Look at this, 313 here on Cosmos. I'm in at 250. I got in somewhere here at 250. Put a lot of money in it there, like, I don't know, $7,000-8,000 here at 250. I mean, this thing is killed. This thing is up big here. Rest day here today. Might come back a little bit, or it might just absolutely explode to the 200 moving day, 350 there. I'm staking this one, making money every day on this one now, dividends. I mean, awesome, man. This you can't complain. You just have to praise God and say, thank you, God, and that's it. All right, peace out. God bless. Hope you guys are making money. For those that are in the 4 stocks, let's see what happens. Make a decision make a decision, guys and girls. You guys got to make your own decisions, okay? So make a decision. If we close strong today, make a decision, okay? You can stay in it. Some people say they're going to buy more of it now because the markets are going parabolic, and at some point we're going to fall. And some people say they're going to get out and then watch the markets and then get back in. It all depends on what you want to do. Peace out. God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Eyes open.